streaming. First things first. I need to do some math
Homosexuality.
to see if leaving your coffee hot while you go to the bathroom and then adding milk is the final temperature is warmer than if you add milk into your coffee and then go to the bathroom. All right, here we go. So I assume it takes you the same time to go to the bathroom both times. What map? Bro, this guy doesn't get it. Okay. So we have temperature of the coffee before it cools down. We have. Oh right, volume. It's gonna be more like energy. It's gonna work the same as temperature of coffee, volume of coffee. Aha, yes. Plus temperature of milk, volume of milk. Okay. That was a particularly vigorous burp. Okay. Volume of coffee plus volume of milk. So that's what the hell formula is that? It's a formula. It'll give you the final temperature of the coffee, and then we do that minus temperature of the room. Oh shit, that's trace. Temperature, environment, and then multiply that by some cooling coefficient times time. Time to go to the bathroom. And then temperature in the environment. Okay, so that should be the equation for temperature of the final temperature of the coffee after a certain time. And then for okay, and then if you add the milk right away, it'll be like temperature of coffee minus temperature environment times that, and then this will be inside the formula here. It'll be like this. That's different. And so let's see. Let's say it takes I don't know, a minute and 30 seconds to go to the bathroom. Oh god, gotta plug in numbers. I don't want to do numbers, dude. Alright, gonna open up the stream page. Gotta plug in numbers. I don't want to do numbers, dude. Algebra is way better. Something tells me this doesn't have to do with bhop. Yeah, I'm calculating whether it's better to leave your hot coffee and go to the bathroom and come back and put milk in it, or put milk in it right away and go to the bathroom and come back and take it away to get the highest temperature after visiting the bathroom or after you add the milk. Whether you should visit the bathroom first or after you add the milk. Alright, this is gonna be a factor. So ratio going to the bathroom. And it's less than 1 ratio going to the bathroom. All right, we can do like this. So, okay, I think we can do it like this. This is if you add the milk first, and this is if you add the milk second. Which one do you think will be warmer?
All of them.
If you add the milk before you go to the bathroom, or if you add the milk after you go to the bathroom, which one will be warmer? What do you guys think? Can you see these things? They're little candy bananas. You can't see them at all. Alright. Assuming VC greater than 0, volume of milk is greater than 0, temperature of the coffee is greater than temperature of the environment, and temperature of the milk is less than temperature of the environment, and temperature of the environment is greater than 0. It doesn't matter what the temperature of the environment is actually, but it's going to be greater than 0. And then also 0 is less than ratio of going to the bathroom is less than 1. Is that all the variables? Temperature of the milk, yeah. Assuming reduce. Is it true? Temperature of the coffee, element of reals. Full simplify. No way, dude. I just solved it. Okay. I mean, Mathematica just solved it. Okay, that is for any time going to the bathroom, for any temperature of the milk, for any temperature of the, of the coffee. So this applies to any situation. All right. So this means that this statement is true. Adding milk to the coffee before you go to the bathroom leaves the coffee warmer than if you add the milk after you go to the bathroom. So here we just do it directly to the temperature of the coffee. We apply the bathroom factor, cooling factor, and then apply the milk adding procedure. So with this one, we do the milk adding procedure, and then we apply the coffee cooling factor. So
what the fuck, dude?
Adding the milk before you go to the bathroom gives warmer coffee than if you add the milk after you go to the bathroom. Case closed. Probably by like 1 degree Celsius. This is epic. All right. What the hell was I gonna do today? Quiet show gaming setup.
You were going to do the map release list. The link to the stream has Q&A at the end, so you need to make this a Q&A now? Shit. Is this true? Oh my god. I mean, isn't every stream a freaking Q&A? These candy bananas are sure yummy. Mmm, bananas! Did you know that candy banana flavor is made to approximate a species of bananas that's extinct? Because that's why it doesn't really taste like banana. Because it's not the bananas we eat. I really want to have one of those extinct bananas because I like the candy banana flavor more than real banana flavor. Alright, let's see. Don't look at this code. Don't look at it. Just don't, okay? Stop looking at it! God. Oh yeah, I came up with a new formula for ranks, but I think I'll change it from this. Are you describing bananas? More bananas already? I had a little book thing that did that. It was like, make a monkey sound now. And then you make a monkey sound. It's like, more bananas already? Okay. Do you have a log base function? Oh my goodness, it doesn't matter. Okay. Uh, all right. So here's the ranking curve. So this is the control parameter. There's going to be 20 ranks no matter what. So let's slide her around. Let's go. I don't know. exp some parameter. Perfect. And then manipulate. Manipulate. And then A can be from a 0, I guess, to E. E is too big. Okay. Log 2. Go! Oh, log base 1. Duh. God damn it. Why does manipulate crash Mathematica? Oh, look, someone talking about ranks in chat. Big surprise. Oh, yeah, ranks were just updated.
Fucking idiot.
Are you talking to me? What's this? Log, I don't know, fucking, perfect. Oh my. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Wow. Wow. So, okay, I'm pointing at my screen, dumbass. Okay, so when it's like this, you have to be like in this tiny range here to have a high rank. So this is rank 10 is halfway, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or 15 is like 0.75, and rank 20 is right here. So you have to be the best rank out of all of them. And then most of the rank points give you ranks that are like rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of stuff. But then on this rank curve, it's just 1-to-1, where each one. God, I lost my rank! Shut up! God. Sorry. It wasn't a problem when ranks weren't implemented. I have more skill percent than God rank, but I'm not God. They're not related.
Oh my god, dude.
Rank is mostly from hard maps. If you get a good time on a hard map, you could like skip all the easy maps and you would probably still be the top rank. If you get first place on all the hard maps with like, I don't know, 10, 20 times in them, you're going to get first overall rank. Easy maps with tons of completions don't count much towards ranks.
Let's investigate. So, surf and I'm assuming auto hop, right?
Mm-hmm. Pull up like top 3.
Okay, let's find out who has the best rank for that.
Easy. I have 75 more WRs than God rank. It's still possible. If you have WRs on all the easy maps, it's probably still better to have all the WRs on all the hard maps. Like, okay, let's say you have WRs on 75 maps with 100,000 times versus someone with 5 WRs on maps with 70 times. Oh, look. The person with 5 WRs on maps with 70 times has a higher rank than you. I do have them all on all the hard maps. Well, then you should be first, and then we'll see what's going on when Senior Rate's name checks the database. Oh, yeah. Okay. Vote map. Oh, such a bad... Vote map is such a cluttered module. It does so many different things. I should have a map managing module that's separate from... Don't look at the code! Vote map. Yeet. Vote map. Okay. Rank XP bar. I need a way to implement that people understand, because no one understood it. What was I doing again? Okay, nominate. If you nominate, okay, it's the nominate in here. Nominate. Oh my god. Okay. Nominate map. Okay. Oh, I have to make a developer product and stuff, bro. I don't want to do that. That's delete surf from your name and become user. probably would if you could. Alright, bro, play your stupid music. The B-hop is dumb, it hurts my arm. What should the ratio be of rank buckets?
Oh.
Okay. Now we do some, I don't care, some of friggin', yeah. N0, 18, and then what the hell did you go away? A19 over sum. Wow! Okay, that's cool. That's really close. Huh. But the press and the industry don't realize it. It's all good. It is what it is. Okay, what should the so this is the right here. This is the ratio of how many people are in all the above ranks versus the below rank. So at 2, there's the same, like every rank has half as many people. It's probably a bit hard of scaling. I think that's too hard. Scaled too hard. Or curved too hard. Holy... Does he actually have... Is that can't be right?
I didn't like do math on it or anything. I just counted up the total of all the points. I didn't divide it or anything.
It has to be what? Show me your code.
What do you mean?
You have to divide for each one.
I mean, like, I divided it, but I didn't like do log or anything at the end.
Yeah, but that's a lot of points. There should only be 1 point per map. So the maximum amount of points would be if one person has a time on every single map and no one else has any times, and that would be like 200 points. So something's wrong.
So I'm gonna guess that the SQL thing has casting issues.
White wolf, bitch.
Huh. Maybe that's why people are skirting around each other, getting the god rank. Sorry, it was necessary. All right, so log 2 is pretty harsh. So 4/3, that's probably better, huh? If you're top 10%, then you are rank 10. Top 1%. We can just, okay. Where's the formula? Okay, so let's put in 4/3. All right, so if you are top top 10%, then multiply the whole thing. 1 plus. Alright, Mathematica, what are you doing? Your rank, oh, that's still pretty harsh, huh? And then top 1% is rank 15. Okay, that's pretty harsh. Yeah, top 1%. I should probably be like rank 18 or something, right? Will times get deleted when this update comes out? What? Map release schedule. No. This is new maps. New maps. Miners versus user surf. 1v1. Alright, so that's pretty neat. 4/3 is 2 scaled. So what about 5/4? Oh, that's a bit better. So top 1% is rank 17. What do you guys think? God damn, this is so harsh. Everyone's gonna drop in rank. No one's gonna like that, but the system makes a lot more sense because it counts. It'll count ranks by number instead of like scaling by the top and bottom, which is kind of extreme. Why we are psych times deleted? Well, son, the map was a fix was added to the map so that there wasn't a huge skip, and you never know who used it on their run. So, all the times deleted. How many of the times are people who never even play though? You mean for the psych map? I don't know. It's essentially a different map, so delete times makes sense. How many of the times are people who never even play for ranking? Well, that's why I have this curve here. So that if the curve is like this, then there's a huge amount of people that are low ranks, and then the top people have all the higher ranks. But I think the curve is a bit strong because in order to get like one rank below the top rank, there has to be 1 million people with ranks calculated. Whereas with 5/4, let's see. Oh, that's kind of sad. Well, we could try 3/2. We could even try 2 and see how that goes. I think 2 is too strong. Let's go. Let's put in 3/2. And what would you? So if you were top 1%, you'd be ranked 12 with 3/2 scale. Quad, if you change the ranks again, everyone will lose God rank, and I don't want to farm Jesus again. Don't make me no life, please! It's changing the ranking curve. The rank's already, like, you will still be in the same order relative to everyone else. It'll just be the curve is different. Instead of it being like weird and like arbitrary, it'll be ordered perfectly, and then it's like sort of median math, and I called it inverse cumulative distribution function, which is very precise. I think that's. Please don't rap in my ears. Look at my fucking garments. The ranks will just be different. You'll be the same order relative to everyone else. It'll make more sense, because rather than ranks being like weird and whatever, there will be a fixed ratio. It'll be a geometric series. How many people are in each rank will go down geometrically. And the ratio is so this is how many people are above, how many percent of people. This is the ratio of something. I don't know, news. It'll be a lot more. It'll make a lot more sense People will be happy with it for a while, but it'll be very nicely. Alright, I think this is like 3,000. 3 halves. Yeah. So. What do you think about the new B-Hop and Surf? Wasn't it one plus 1 week? Yeah. Okay. Top 0.1%. Yeah, I guess that's probably good. We'll go with 3 halves. What it's Golang for the rank calculations?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at the log. Oh, it's a god damn it.
Are you looking for like log 2 and stuff? I mean, it has all the logs that you need, so.
Log X! Log B. What the hell is the binary exponent? Okay. Alright, bro. Oh. So 19 different buckets, and the top of the top bucket is God rank. Works really well. I did math good. Did I drink all my coffee? I did. I don't wanna, bro. It can be so annoying. Okay, developer product. Are you kidding me? I remember Trey talking about this.
Trey talking about what?
Developer products being stupid.
Oh.
You can't be sure which one was which purchase prompt matches which process receipt call. You just have to guess. You know who bought the item and you know what they bought, but you don't know if it was the first one they bought or the second one they bought. Oh, look at that.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
The fact that you can't send custom info with the product purchase is pretty much retarded. Stuck in the rank calculation queue? Huh?
Yeah, the queue is getting deep as fuck.
It's all about that deep queue learning.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna implement the caching strategy and then just wipe the queue because it's kind of useless.
I want to just munch it out.
I mean, I guess I could, but still, there's no point.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
God, look at that rank jump around. What the hell is going on, dude? Oh, I forgot to turn on my fan. No wonder I'm overheating.
Overheating. Overheating. Help me.
Should I actually call him Quat Bucks? Maybe I'll call him maybe I'll call him Bucks, and people will call him Quat Bucks. Imagine having an ego so big that you name a currency after yourself. The way the developer product system is designed pretty much requires to track a currency rather than doing individual transactions, because you can't submit custom info with each transaction, so there's no way to track transactions. So if they are like, I want to nominate this unreleased map, there's no way to say that they wanted to nominate this unreleased map, this specific one, when it gets the transaction. It only says this person tried to buy this developer or this person bought this developer product. That's it. It doesn't say any info with the developer product.
So I have a question for you. How do you think the competing game that is being developed is gonna go?
I can't predict
What is
the
your
future.
official statement?
My official statement is that I can't predict the future, but competition, great.
He's naming off some hot features. How are you gonna retaliate?
Anyone can name off hot features.
Oh, so you're saying that he might not have the ability to implement said hot features?
I'm not saying that. I am not questioning anyone's ability.
Fair enough. Low key though, checkpoint and stage WR seems like a pain in the ass to implement. Just from like a sheer volume of data it would create. So he said he's gonna do tasks. If this actually happens, are you gonna just copy and paste the Gmod code?
I'd have to make a little bit of changes, but I haven't added it because it's not been a priority.
Yeah. I think task ends up looking stupid because people make their, I guess their speed or whatever, like to like nothing, and then it just looks jittery as fuck. They don't look like the classic, like, well, I guess not like classic, but like the super stylized task runs that just look insane. You just look like someone who is just cheating. I remember the lull task mode though, where you could set your speed or like your tick rate to like literally anything, so you could just go at like an impossible like slow speed, and then it would look so dumb because people would just move their mouse around. Could do like 360s.
What coding program is that? It's Sublime Text. Just like spin your camera a bunch and just like
Pretty much.
strafe a little bit and then spin your camera and then strafe a little bit.
Just like you're on a straightaway, instead of strafing, you're just fucking spinning. Alright, I need to implement ranks. Better. Not implement them, but implement them better. Hey, when are you gonna implement pre-strafing?
Didn't come with the package when I made my movement system, so
But pre-strafing's so sexy, and he said that his has pre-strafe. So,
yeah, because it's a different movement system. He just copied some code from something else, whereas I wrote my own code.
yeah, it's Quake. Apparently. But hey man, how are you supposed to hit them LJs without that pre-strafe? You know? If he implements crouching, I'm switching.
You're gonna go make databases for him instead?
Yeah. I'll save him from the horrors of the data store.
I like the idea of pure b-hop, where you only have to be good at b-hopping. You don't need to be good at pre-strafing and zone cheating and edge boosting.
Well, I
would
think
like to remove that as
pre-strafing's
well.
part of b-hop. Zone cheating is a different thing, and then that's been patched pretty well at this point. Basically, the second you have upwards velocity, your timer starts until you stop. So.
Checkpoint records is just database spam.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth doing. It would be absolute havoc on the database with like this much volume that we do.
I think if he actually makes a game and implements the features he says, that the people who want those features will play it, but then everyone who doesn't really care will play my game.
And then if he steals everyone, you can just implement all the features.
It's not about features, it's all about community.
Wow. It's fucking stupid. You're an idiot.
What the hell is this song?
Not bad meaning bad, but bad meaning good, you know.
Trapaholics mixtapes.
We should implement currency and transactions.
Should also, once I'm done with ranks, what am I working on? Is it just the testing map test website after that? Like, what is next in the queue?
For you,
The Midnight Society.
I guess, like, map voting is not terribly important.
It never really was.
It would be nice to tier out the maps and make categorize them and stuff, but I think I'll leave this open like that. So I don't have to. Beyond and Surf need good maps for people to play them. I'm hoping the release. Okay, I'll just write the release system, and then I'll write the. Then we can worry about transaction system. Or could we like? I'll just do the release system now.
See, the 200 IQ move would be for him to make his game compatible with your bats. Then just fucking take them all.
Yoink my maps, because all my maps are free to take.
Exactly.
Yoink! I could easily lock him down.
Yeah, but that's dumb. Go open
'Cause you
source,
can
man,
still-
and get back
Yeah.
to the community.
Okay. I need a shower. I want to have a shower. So stupid. Why did I? Okay. Okay. Remote.flush. Oh, Penent? Did Penent get blacklisted and now he's like, I'm gonna make my own game.
Wait, what?
That's the guy who said, I'm gonna hack the database. So he probably couldn't, and then is like, I'm gonna make my own game.
Probably doesn't even know what the URL to it is. It's like shit.
If
that the
Penent
guy?
then gain equals 99999.
Is that the guy that like everyone's talking about, or is that a different guy making another different B-Hop game?
I don't know. He responded weirdly on Twitter. So could be. I think he's trying to be all professional and not be the cheater everyone knows.
That'd be like the ultimate fucking thing, though. So like you get banned from a game, right? So you make your own game, right? And you take the whole fucking user base somehow, and then now you're like, fuck you, and then you ban the person who banned you from your new, better game. I'll try my best to compete.
Oh, gotta make the thing. I don't wanna. Bruh. Alright, basically any mention of maps. Alright, so here. Date. So if the date is not greater than the current date, okay, what's the thing that I was thinking of? I think the times, it's just in the display thing on high scores. Bruh. Oh, it's server side. Whoops. OS.time. Okay. Okay. So it's usually within like 40 seconds. That's fine. What are my peak hours? Nine a.m. is my peak hour. Maybe 10. Oh,
You're so autistic.
I can't do anything. Aye,
Aye, aye, Captain.
all right. So, yes, I think that will work. I could even leave it. Okay. All maps. Okay. Released maps and oh, I can't call it all maps. Uh, what should the variable that holds all the maps, including unreleased maps, be called?
Variable that holds all. I don't know.
Complete list of maps. Perfect. Including unreleased maps. Perfect. Alright, at the bottom. If alright. Time to do it the hard way. Crap. Okay. Down, down, down. This dude, I added an if statement. Please?
Please.
Oh God. Up to the top. Date. Oh, okay. Yikes, bro. Okay. Okay. OSHA time.
Oh, shut up. Get it?
No.
Well,
I
fuck
will
you.
not. I will not.
I did not.
I will not. One not. One not. Won't. It won't. Add maps. Yeah, I should really. I should have a different list. I should remake this to be maps rather than nominate. And then it has and I can do you can sort the maps by different things. Yeah, be much better. I think with the way Roblox has the developer products implemented, we need to have a currency intermediate because there's no way to track the purchases. So if we have our own thing that uses our own currency, then we can have a purchase ID and purchase request ID system and not lose people's money.
And not lose people's money. That's important.
Yeah, so with the Roblox one, if it doesn't work, it'll try again the next time the player joins. So that's not very conducive to trying to do something right then. So if they buy currency and then I'm at the eye doctor? What? Okay.
Okay,
Yes, if I make it a... So if I have the nominated list just like display all the maps, even the ones that are unreleased, and then you try to nominate a map that doesn't exist, it goes to the server and it notices that the map isn't in the released maps, and then it can go to an alternate case and do everything else server side. That makes good sense. And be like, hey, do you want to pay to nominate this map? Pay, 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 pay! Yo, Qua! I'm about to get my prostate exam. Wish me luck. Oh, good luck, bro. Okay, that makes sense. Map. All right, I'm gonna go to the poop room and do pooping. Just letting you know. Microphone. I'm telling you. Okay.
If you pay to nominate on an unreleased map, can you nominate it in public service? I'm thinking yes.
Or you can just play it on map test. Yeah, but you don't get the time unless you're on the main game.
And the strange thing is there's not a sad face to be found. Everyone is just so glad to see you. And send you off right.
How did you ruin that? They're gonna wrap our thing. No? Okay. Have you listened to Beano? I don't even know who that is. Have you decided on which new map is going to be released today? No! I don't even know what the map release system will be released today. Whatever, I'll just do 1 plus.
1 plus.
Alright, time to skip. Maybe I'll put this over here. Where's the chat? Timestamp. If you're adding a new map today, can it be Who Knows 2? Maybe. Thank you for suggesting one, because I probably... Yep, I mean, sure, whatever. Probably I will do it unless I'm like, oh no, I thought of a better idea. They can wait longer. Okay. Where's my date time module? Okay. Bruh. Okay, so it does.
Hey, you know who it is? This motherfucking Peanut. You better watch your baby, boy. Unless you get the gas.
Where? Oh. Bruh. Okay, I'm stupid.
You better watch your baby, boy. Unless you get the gas. Boy. Come get some.
Bruh. Okay. Bruh. Bruh. Don't do this, bruh. Roblox sucks. Holy smoke. What the hell? Stop! Cool. So this should display what time it will release in their local time zone. That's pretty cool. Okay. Add maps. Vote map. Did I? Okay. Not allowed.
Just tested the rank calculation with it being cached, and it's fucking fast, dude.
Grind.
It takes about, I'd say about 10 seconds to rebuild the cache. But even then,
that's like one
that's
rank
not bad.
calculation.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. But what it does when it builds the cache is it only builds what it needs to. So
Ooh.
it will grab the list of maps that it needs to pull down, and then it will run through and pull the times for those and load them into the cache. And it doesn't pull any extra data, so it can only just pull the user and then the map. So it works pretty well.
Now I can use maps. Nice one, dude. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh god.
If this fucking works, I'm gonna kill myself, I swear. This seems like such a retarded strategy, but if it's fast as fuck, I'm just gonna end my life, dude.
I mean, aren't you doing it because it's fast? Because you think it'll be fast?
Yeah, but it still hurts. I don't.
What if we had bee harbors on a galactic scale and we had to have like servers on every planet and then manage synchronization?
Kill myself.
That would be fun!
God, just like the latency.
New world record got on Mars! That'd be cool! That'd be so cool.
We just have to run
Martians!
FTL data links.
Sorry, what? I was chanting over top of you.
So we're gonna have to get like FTL data links so we can just have decent latency.
That would be boring.
I mean, not really. Imagine that server equipment though.
What the? Oh.
If someone has 0.6 rank points, that's no good, right?
No, that's fine. That sounds right. Like the 200,000 is wrong.
Okay, that's... So 0.6 is okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because that's yours, I think. Oh, it's so fast to calculate. Oh my god, dude. Like, once it has it cached, it just zooms. I'll be right back.
Allahu Akbar. Work! There we go.
Boy. Boy.
Okay. Um.
Okay, let's make sure. Bruh. Okay.
Oh, you had a fire? Fuck you, pay me. Place got hit by lightning, huh? Fuck you, pay me. What if I get one of those TVs? Nah, I'll be so.
Boy.
Alright, now I'm gonna find. Get map. Ooh. Brett. No. Current map. Oh, that's it? I don't get map. Okay, what? Do I not use that? Alright, next. Get map name is right there. And then get map ID, get map name from ID. Get map ID, get map name from ID. That's it. Get map ID and get map name from ID.
Boy.
Okay. I guess I'll map data. Oh, my head is like greasy. It sucks. Do I have a date?
A date with me.
Ah, I do. Look at that. Date. Yay! There it is. That looks like a small number, actually. 1.5 billion? Fucking small.
Wait, so what are you doing right now?
Making the map release system.
Oh. Wait, I need to implement the new rank logic, don't I? Like your rank logic.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
This motherfucking peanut, boy.
Do I have to?
It's better.
Or can I just test things on
You can
the
test
main
things.
server? And then no one will know the difference, and then I can just nuke it later?
Yeah. Except everything will work better, and people will won't be like, oh, why is my rank? I was this rank before, and now I'm this rank now. Explain?
It's just because you're bad at the game.
It's just because shut up, it doesn't matter. Explain?
So fucking stupid.
Explain to me why you care about this so much. Map dot date equals date. Alright, easy game. Come get some.
Come, cummies, come.
Come. Why is it so big?
Ooh.
What the? Bruh, don't do that. Oh, interesting, actually. But, not useful. Or, I mean, I guess, yeah, useful. There it is. There's the problem. Yes, my old hobbled together system. How does your frame blending plugin function? Does it work with Vegas? Nah.
I think it works. I'm just gonna go for it.
Yeet.
I really,
Not like it's
it's not really a big part of anything, so it's not gonna matter. But I mean, I think it works, so I'm just gonna use it.
Is it gonna crunch down the rank queue?
I'm gonna have to clear the rank queue because it's not compatible with it.
Probably fine. So does it use the new data that comes with the rank update request? And then it just uses all the other data from the cache that it makes?
In this world, there's two kinds of people, my friend.
It is based entirely off of Redis, and then I only have a function that populates the Redis. So, actually, shit, there's one thing I need to do. I need to append to my internal cache whenever a time gets made.
Oof. Append to your internal cache. You could probably get away with, like, just the cache lasts for, I don't know, 10 minutes. And then use updated data that comes with the rank requests instead of appending stuff to the cache. Or do whatever you want.
What do you mean updated data that comes with the rank requests?
Like, in the old list, it had, like, the map and the time and the stuff that caused the rank calculation to be requested to be recalculated. And so that includes the whatever most up-to-date data. And probably all the other data can just be used from the cache. Doesn't matter, you can do it how you want.
Nothing is getting pulled from the database, if that's what you're saying. It's all just internally in Redis. So if Redis doesn't get updated, then it will quickly get out of date.
Okay, so it never uses...
It never directly
outside of
touches the database.
Cool.
So it all goes through the cache.
Okay.
So if the cache is empty, then it repopulates it and then pulls from the cache.
So are you gonna, like, have these things that keep the cache updated and then every once in a while just redo the whole thing, or what?
Yeah, basically I'm gonna use the event system to keep the cache updated, and then because I expect it to get out of date and desynced, I just clear it every hour and have it repopulate.
Huh. Sounds fine.
That way it should be pretty accurate, if not 100% accurate, but if I restart the server or something, or some event gets dropped, then, you know.
What if I release 60 maps per second? I'm not gonna write that code. Okay.
So I added it. It only took 2 lines to keep it up to date. I'm not gonna test it, I'm just gonna kinda go for it. And I'll never know if it actually properly worked.
It's holiday season, bitch.
I'm going to adjust the scaling range to only cache for a minute. It's not that heavy of a thing.
Doesn't it take 10 seconds to cache again?
Not that. That is just looking up the best person, the worst person. It probably takes like 500 milliseconds max. So 500 milliseconds every minute. It's not bad.
Does it really need to update the best and worst person once a minute?
Well, assuming that the real goal is just to, like, if 30 people come in at once and all get times on, like, you know, a new map or some shit, right? That it just keeps the data so that it doesn't keep on re-looking it up. It's fine, trust me.
Okay.
I understand what I'm fucking doing.
With the new one, you won't need to track the max and min and log them and stuff. Or logger them.
Okay, cool.
It's It's all based off the rank list.
I have to rank the rank.
Yes.
Fucking stupid.
It's great. It's perfect. It's a inverse cumulative distribution function. But like discrete and perfect.
Discrete.
Well, cumulative distribution functions are continuous, but this is a discrete set of data, so it doesn't really have a distribution function, but it's still I think it's good, and it'll be good. Alright, I'll just steal from...
You're just a bitch-ass tray.
I guess I could debug the cache. See if it works.
Oh, it's holiday season, nigga.
The fucked thing is I don't think anyone will notice the difference.
That's back end, baby.
It works.
Cool.
Alright, just gonna go ahead and YOLO it, I guess.
YOLO gamer. Gaming, gaming, gaming. Oh, it probably doesn't have format, does it? Wait, does it? Notice. Nominate format. I just like call format. It's already there. Okay. There's no. It's not used anywhere except for there, but it's okay. Okay, now I have to make a command that adds a map, but with a release date.
Oh, I think it's working. Yes. Oh shit.
It's like, how many ranks has it calculated?
Oh. Uh-oh. So, I think it ended up crashing Redis. I think it ran out of RAM. I mean, it makes sense. This server has, like, no RAM. This isn't on the new server, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, Redis crashed. Okay, so we're gonna let that do its thing while I upgrade the server real quick.
Connection refused. Good job. Oh, I can't do global announcements because Redis crashed, didn't it? In it. Oog.
Okay, it should be back up. I disabled ranks for now, but I still need to scale it up. I'm just gonna put it down.
Message loading. Redis is loading the dataset in memory. It tried to get something while it's loading. That's crazy. Everything's working again.
I should have seen this coming. It only has half a gig of RAM, so. Alright, it's gonna go back down again.
Hey, it's their player data. Problem. RPC is being successful, but so it doesn't retry. It's like, oh, it connected and got a thing. There's no it only retries if the HTTP fails. Not good.
Is that a my thing or you thing?
Me.
Do you check my success message?
Ew, I print it out when it fails. So I could retry stuff. So yeah, I do check your success message.
So how does this affect the game?
No one can get times. Or it just silently fails. That's what's going on.
Oh. Wait, so no one can get times?
Looks like it's working now.
Yeah, it just came back up. Okay, time to re-enable ranks and see how things go. Okay, ranks are starting back up.
Hi, Quaternians. Hi, Envoids.
So on the new server, I need to make Radius beefy as fuck now. Wait. Oh, it sapped so much RAM and then it just all let it go. Did it crash? No, not
This is
yet.
still working.
It went up to like 600 megabytes usage and then it dropped down to 470. I was like, oh fuck.
Rank 0, skill 0, that doesn't look right.
What doesn't look right?
The rank, a rank was calculated and it looked good, but then a rank was calculated and it was 0-0 for the same guy. It's returning 0-0. Oh no, that's not 0-0. Oh.
Yes, the queue size is single digits. Beautiful.
My player data. I think my player data broke. RIP player data for anyone who's in the game. Or who joined.
When we pulled up, it was like a regular little trap. He ain't look like nothing suspicious or nothing like that.
You just fucked a bunch of data.
Hey, your game fucked the data, not me.
Probably, yeah. My air handling is garbage.
I've told you multiple times, like, that you need to get that working because the database can't stay up 100% of the time. It doesn't work like that.
Oof! Your total time played is 1 minute.
Dude, this is working so well. Oh. The ranks are being calculated.
Oh, I lost my custom name too.
You got fucking ruined, kid.
Whatever, it already got reset from that time it got messed up in the when we initially launched.
At least on the bright side, we have ranks, and it's constantly sitting with the queue at 0. So,
Does it still do the Q backwards?
No, it's fixed.
Whoa. Oof.
Hey yo, quick word from Peanut. Fuck Mystic Boys. Fuck Otter Enclave. Fuck Bill Guy. And fuck Smoke Bill. Shouts out to Saul. Fuck we ball.
Well, now it's time to, I guess, fuck. Do the new rank stuff, that's what I was trying to say.
People are gonna hate this.
Oh, they're gonna fucking despise it. So this Lua file is good, right? I can use this.
Let me send you... No, it's not.
Okay. And this is gonna work.
I don't know if the curve factor will fit the data nicely. Well, we can adjust that though.
Okay, so what changed? Just the stuff at the bottom, or?
I did a little. I looked at your. Yeah, there's a little. This. Like you could change that, but it doesn't matter. It's the exact same. And at the bottom, yes, that's the only thing that matters.
Okay, so where it goes number of ranks, that's where the new stuff is?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't need to like... So I don't need to do scaling anymore? Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The scaling was kind of bad because if the worst person was really bad, then there would be a gap at the bottom. And if the best person was really good, then there would be a gap at the top. But with this one, it just uses the order of ranks, so there will be no gaps.
Okay, so let me say one thing before I do this. So the reason why ranks was so slow with the database is that Postgres is very, very bad at counting rows. So it is horribly inefficient at counting rows. And what this new update for ranks would be is more counting of rows.
Mm-hmm.
However, it is less rows because it's just, you know, a list of ranks rather than, you know, all the times. However, it's still like counting, right? So yeah, we can do this and see how it works.